Lipsticks are a versatile and popular cosmetic product used to add color, texture, and definition to the lips. They come in various forms, including solid sticks, liquids, and creams, each offering different finishes like matte, satin, or glossy. Lipsticks are available in a wide range of shades, from classic reds and pinks to bold purples and deep blacks, allowing for endless possibilities in personal expression. The primary purpose of lipstick is to enhance the appearance of the lips, making them stand out or complementing the overall makeup look. Some lipsticks also offer additional benefits, such as hydration, sun protection, or long-lasting wear, making them both a beauty product and a form of lip care. With such a vast array of options, lipsticks remain a staple in many people's beauty routines, offering both style and functionality. Here are the top 5 types of lipsticks. 1. Matte lipstick. Finish: flat, non-shiny. Highly pigmented, long-lasting, and gives a bold, intense color. It can feel dry on the lips, but offers a sophisticated, classic look. 2. Satin lipstick. Finish: semi-matte with a slight sheen. Smooth and creamy, providing a balance between moisture and color. It offers a soft shine, making lips look fuller and more hydrated. 3. Glossy lipstick. Finish: shiny and reflective. Adds a high shine to the lips, making them appear plump and juicy. It's often less pigmented than matte lipsticks and provides a more natural, dewy look. 4. Liquid lipstick. Finish: can be matte, satin, or glossy. Comes in liquid form with a wand applicator. It dries down to a long-lasting finish, often highly pigmented. Matte versions can be drying, while glossy versions offer more hydration. Cream lipstick. Finish: smooth and creamy with a slight shine. Offers a comfortable feel, with medium to full coverage. It's moisturizing and easy to apply, making it a go-to for everyday wear.